Hey guys, Scott here with RV Wholesalers. Today we're going to cover an Atwood thermostat right here in this Forester. So basically very simple, very similar to a lot of them. Push buttons on all these, on, off, and all your modes. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn it to on. We're going to select which mode we want. Right now we want cool. We always want to use the auto function, and then it'll automatically choose which fan setting it's on from there. So you don't have to mess with anything. Same with the furnace. If you push the furnace button, it'll illuminate the light beside it. We'll go down to heat on the mode and then leave it in auto for the fan, and it'll automatically select the fan setting. Now on the furnace, it typically is only one fan speed, but if you do have a heat pump in your air conditioner, it can do different speeds on that. But basically, leave the fan in auto, select your mode between cool and heat, set your temperature, and walk away. These do have a sleep and a timer. Honestly, it gets you in more trouble messing with those, so we typically don't recommend using them. If you like to use them, refer to your owner's manual. Hey guys, Scott with RV Wholesalers. Today we're going to go over the Coleman analog wall thermostat. So this is our thermostat right here, a little different than the manual controls that are on the roof. So in this scenario, very similar settings. We want to do cool. We want to have it in our auto. We can do high or low. That'll work off our thermostat, so we can set the temperature to whatever we want. Let's say we want it at 70. We would slide our button over to cool, leave it on the auto, and that's going to kick on and off as needed at that thermostat temperature. If you want that temperature and want the fan to be a little lower, a little quieter, maybe at nighttime, just simply kick it into low. But always use the auto, because that's going to work off the thermostat itself. The fan setting is just going to be the fan blowing. Doesn't matter if it's on cool or whatnot. That's just the fan. So always put it in auto, slide it over to your temperature, whether it's cool or heat, and it'll take care of the rest for you. Hey guys, Scott with RV Wholesalers. Today we're going to show you a different kind of air conditioner. This is a non-ducted system, so all the controls are on the base itself. So there's two different knobs. One controls the fans and one controls your temperature. Your indicators are at each end. So for your temperature setting, it's over here. For your fan setting, it's on this side. And you just simply twist this around, and it's going to control the temperature that comes out of the air conditioner itself. We want to crank it all the way to cool, and what this is going to do is it's going to keep the compressor running and cooling as long as it needs to until it reaches the temperature it's satisfied at. On this style of air conditioner, your fan will run continuously, unlike a thermostatically controlled on the wall where it'll shut on and off. This one will run all the time. But basically, you're going to control it. Your fan speed up here, high, low. That's basically all there is. And then there's two different settings. There's high fan, low fan, and high cool, low cool. Air conditioner settings, we want to be in the cool setting. If it's a cooler day outside and you just want air moving around, you want to turn it to your fan settings. So click it on, it's going to sound something like this. And you'll have that sound, like I said, most of the time that it's running, but you can turn the fan up and down as needed. Hey, thanks for watching. If you guys got any more questions or things you want to see, just let us know. Always like and subscribe. You can always give us a call at 877-877-4494. Thanks.